Hi students, in last lecture we are going to learn the 8th chapter of section 2nd, transition and inner transition elements. Transition elements means D and F block elements. Transition elements means the elements having outermost orbital is D and F, and the outermost electron enter in the transition penultimate shell like D and F. Therefore, these elements called as transition and inner transition elements. Almost all D and F block elements are transition elements, that is metallic in nature. First of all, in this lecture we are going to teach about the D block elements and after them F block elements. General introduction for D block element, that is D block element lie between S and P groups. S and P blocks. That is medium to the S and P block. The group number of D block are 3 to 12. That is 3, 4, 5 to 12. And the period number from 7 numbers from 4th to 7. D block contains 4 periods, that is 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. That is D block period numbers. D block contains period number 4 to 7 and group numbers are 3 to 12. From which we start the first period, that is 4th period of D block element. The D block element, we have learned about the 4th period, that is group number 3 to 12 and period number 4. Period number 4 contains 3D series. That is 4th number 3D series, 5th number 4D series, 6th number 5D series and 7th number is 6D series. 4th series are contains in the D block elements, that is 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th period. From which we start the first period, that is 4th, that is 3D series. 4th period contains 3D series. Here scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. 20 atomic number is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. We understand this sequence by Shakti means scandium, titanium. Vakra means vanadium, chromium. Me means magnets. Fe, Ko, Ni means Fe, cobalt and nickel. Then Kunz means Cu, copper and Zn. This sequence is understand in the sequence of this Shakti, Vakra, Me, Feko, Ni, Kunza means scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, Fe, Co, Ni, Cu and Zn. This sequence is very important for explanation about the 3D series. Then 3D series, this is the 3D series means 4th period, number of 4th period of the D block, from which position in the periodic table already we seen about the position, that is position lie between the S block and P block. Then the electronic configuration of 3D series. For electronic configuration it is important that the sequence sequence of the 3D series, that is scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, continue to the zinc. From 3D series, the next point is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of 3D series. You can write the sequence of 3D series to better understanding. The next point is electronic configuration of the 3D series is the electronic configuration of scandium. Scandium having atomic number 21, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s2, 3d1. The scandium contains 21 electrons, therefore 1s2, 2s2, according to Oppo's principle, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1. The last electron enter in the d orbital. Therefore, scandium is the transition element. That is, D is the penultimate shell. Because of inner element is 4, that is n, consider as n s2. 3 is less than 4, means 4 minus 1 get 3. That is n minus 1 d1. n minus 1 means 4 minus 1, 3. This is 4. n is equal to 4. Therefore, penultimate shell is n minus 1 d1. This is penultimate shell, and outermost electron enter in this shell. Therefore, called as transition elements. The electronic configuration of 3D series is the general electronic configuration of 3D series is learned from the configuration of scandium. That is, in scandium, the inert gases means 18 group elements. These all elements having completed configuration. Therefore, this elements is used to configuration of all elements. That is, from scandium having 21 atomic number. Then the the noble gases like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. These are the noble gases or inert gases having atomic number 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86. Less than the 21. The noble gases used for configuration is less than the element. The scandium element having atomic number is 21. Less than 21, the noble gas is 18, means argon. That is, argon in bracket, argon having 18 electrons, that is 2, 2, 6 means 10, and these are 18, means the configuration of scandium argon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. In place of this configuration, we put the value, the element is argon. Then next configuration is 4s2, 3d1. 4s2, 3d1. This is the general electronic configuration of scandium, from which we can write the general electronic configuration of 3D series. Scandium, next second element of the 3D series is titanium. Titanium having atomic number 22 means same combination, only D2, 3D2. Atomic number 21, last is 3D1. Atomic number 22, last 3D2. That is, again I write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, and these electrons are 20. Then remaining 22. That is 3d2. Again, next is vanadium. Vanadium having 23 atomic number. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d3. Means here 23 atomic number means last electronic configuration is 3d3, d2, d1. Then chromium. Chromium having same combination here 4s2, 3d4. 4s2, 3d4. Again 25 number having 3d5. 26 number having last 3d6. 27, 3d7. Continue to the zinc means 3d10. From these elements of 3d series scandium to zinc, two elements are different than the other because of their two configurations, two type of configuration, that is chromium and copper having two types of configuration. One is observed configuration and another is expected configuration. That is, this is the expected configuration, but in observed configuration is different. That is, the one electron of 4s is jumped from 4s to 3d because of both the two having near about similar energy. Therefore, the electron is easily jumped from the 4s to 3d. Means 4s 1, 3d 5. This is the observed configuration of chromium. The same case related to the copper. Copper also having two configurations. One is observed and another is expected. First, we learn about the general electronic configuration of 3D from these data. The general electronic configuration, that is the noble gas, the general electronic configuration of 3D series is argon means noble gas here less than 22. The noble gas is also argon means argon, and last this is configuration of argon means 18, remaining is 3d2. Again here 23 less than 23 atomic number, noble gas is 18 number means argon. This is electronic configuration of argon, the remaining is 3d3. This sequence is continue, that is for chromium, argon 3d4, then manganese 25, argon 30, 3d5. Means the general electronic configuration is the inert or noble gas, in bracket noble gas, and last is N. Last shell means principal quantum number is 4. Therefore, NS2 in configuration of copper and chromium, their observed configuration is different. That is, the possibility is in NS addition of 1 to 2 electrons. Remaining all elements contains 4s2, but in copper and chromium it contains 4s1. That is the possibility of addition of electron in the NS 1 to 2. Then last is the general electronic configuration is from this. Last is N minus 1. 3 is, this is N means 3 means penultimate shell is N minus 1. That is N minus 1 D 1 to 10 means scandium to zinc. The atomic number is 21 to 30. First is 21, that is 3d1. Second 22, 3d2. 23 3d3. Continue to the zinc. Zinc having atomic number 30 means 3d10. That is the general electronic configuration of 3d series is noble gas and penultimate shell n minus 1 d 1 to 10 means in d the addition of 1 electron to 10 electron means from scandium to titanium. This is the general electronic configuration of 3d series. 3d series of the d block elements. Then the electronic configuration of 4d series from this. The general electronic configuration of 3d, 4d, 5d and 6d series. The general electronic configuration of d block elements, that is 3d series, 4d series, 5d series and 6d series, that is 4th period, 5th, 6th and 7th period. First in 3d already we seen about the general electronic configuration of 3d series, that is 3d contains only argon. All element contains argon. Then last is 3d 1 to 10 and 4 years 1 to 2. This is copper and chromium. The electron is 1, therefore the 4s having ability to enter the electron 1 to 2. Then in 4d means 5th periods elements, that is ytterbium, zirconium means Y to cadmium. This ytterbium having atomic number is 39, from which the less number containing element of argon having 18 number, krypton having 36 atomic number, means for 5th period means 4d series the noble gas or inert gas is used krypton. For 3d argon, 4d krypton, 5d xenon and 6d radon. These elements are used in electronic configuration of 3d, 4d, 5d and 6d elements. For this series the noble gas is argon. For this series second means 4d the noble gas is krypton. For this xenon and last is radon. From which the electronic configuration of 4d series next to the argon is krypton, means Kr, krypton. Then next to the 3d, these elements of 3d series, here the element of 4d means 4d 1 to 10 and 4 means here 5 years 1 to 2. Again for 5d next to the krypton noble gas is xenon, means xenon having atomic number 54. Next to the 5 means next to the 4, here 5d 1 to 10 and here 6 years 1 to 2. Again for 6d the noble gas is next to the xenon is radon, therefore radon, and here 6d 1 to 10 and 7 years 1 to 2. These are the general electronic configurations of d block elements, means 3d, 4d, 5d and 6d series. This electronic configuration is important for next all points because of oxidation state and properties, magnetic properties, also colors of elements, all are depends on the electronic configuration. Therefore, electronic configuration is important and general electronic configuration is also very important. Then next point is the electronic configuration of chromium and copper from the 3D series. Already I tell about the electronic configuration of chromium, observed and expected. This point is asked in board exam for 2 marks. That is the electronic configuration of copper, chromium and copper means Cr and Cu from the 3D series. 3D series contain these two elements, that is chromium having 24 and copper 29. Therefore, chromium shows two types of configuration. One is observed and another is expected. The observed electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1 and 3d5. 4s1 and 3d5. Because of this configuration is different than the other configurations due to in chromium here 4s1 and 3d5. The expected is 4s2, 3d4. D orbital contains 5 suborbitals and S contains 1. Here 2 electrons, one is parallel, another antiparallel. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. From this, the one shell is, one orbital is remaining to complete the unpaired. The stability, for stability, all orbitals are completely filled or incompletely filled, means half filled. Therefore, from this, the one electron of the 4s is jump from S to T for stability. And also, these two orbitals having near about same energy, therefore it easily jump from the 4s to 3d, means one electron is entered from 4s to 3d, means here 4s1 and 3d5. The electronic configuration is different than other element due to these two reasons. First reason is to acquire the stability. Stability obtained by d orbital is completely filled or completely half filled. Means here 5 electron is unpaired or 5 unpaired, remaining again 5 paired. Also, the energies of these two orbitals are near about same. Therefore, electron enter from the 4s to 3d5. Again, the electronic configuration of copper is also different than other. Means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s 1 and 3d10. This is observed configuration, but expected configuration is 29. Mean last is 3d9. That is 4s2 and 3d9. This is expected, but for stability, the one electron is jumped from here 4s2, here 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. One orbital is unpaired for getting stability. One electron from 1s is jumped from 4s to last unpaired electron and gets stable. That is, this electron is entered from 4s to 3d. Therefore, 4s 1 and 3d10 is getting stability. The one electron from 4s to enter to the 3d, and also these two orbitals having near about same energy. Therefore, the electron is jump from 4s to 3d easily and occupies the last orbital pair and get stable configuration. That's why the chromium and copper having observed configuration, that is different configuration than the other 3d